Today, let's make a fun star-spangled breakfast. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm gonna show you how to make some fun, fruity, star-shaped waffles. Let's get started. Now for these keto waffles, we are gonna be making a chaffle. We're gonna be using cream cheese for our cheese instead of just regular mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna add some fun fruit in there, as well as some sprinkles and a little bit of food coloring, of course. I'm gonna be using a star waffle maker, but any waffle maker will work to make these waffles. In a small bowl, we're gonna start by adding 1 egg, 1 ounce of cream cheese that's softened, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of a monk fruit blend sweetener, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You wanna mix this up until it's combined. And now this is your base recipe. You could separate it if you wanted to, or you could double this recipe and then separate it and do half of it, maybe add some blueberries, some blue food dye, some sprinkles to it. The other half of it, add in some strawberries, maybe a little bit of red food dye in there. Just have fun with your favorite flavors and fruits. Pour this into your waffle maker when you're ready to cook these. Let them cook for around a few minutes and then remove them. I like to top my fruity waffles with some fresh whipped cream and then some of ChocZero syrup. You could use vanilla, maple, chocolate, even some of their seasonal flavors are excellent. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your star-shaped fruity chaffles.